This problem is based on flow through annulus of two coaxial cylinder having radius kappa r and r. Now I am mentioning here all the given thing and assumption what I have taken to solve this question, like steady state, laminar flow, constant density and viscosity, and effects are neglected. I have taken cylindrical coordinates to solve this problem and origin at bottom point of axis of cylinder. So here velocity in theta direction and radial direction is 0 because of laminar flow. So non-vanishing velocity is z direction, and velocity in z direction is not varying in theta direction and z direction. The reason behind not varying in z direction is the continuity of flow, and not varying in theta direction because of symmetricity around the axis. Now pressure is varying in z direction because of gravitational forces. There is no velocity in r direction and theta direction, so we considering only z component of momentum flux, which are phi rz, phi theta z and phi zz. Now I am mentioning the general equation of momentum flux, which is phi ij, which is equal to rho vi dot vj plus p del ij plus tau ij. Using this equation, I am calculating the value of phi rz, phi theta z and phi zz. Before calculating this, I am mentioning here about del ij. Del ij equals to 1 when I equals to j, and del ij equals to 0 when I is not equal to 0. Now I am applying cell balance. So rate of z momentum in across annular surface at z equals to 0 given by 2 pi r del r phi zz at z equal to 0, and rate of z momentum out across annular surface at z equals to L, which is given by 2 pi r del r phi zz at L. Rate of z momentum in across cylindrical surface at r, which is given by 2 pi r L phi r z at r, and rate of z momentum out across cylindrical surface at r plus del r, which is given by 2 pi r plus del r L phi r z at r plus del r, which is equal to 2 pi r L phi r z at r plus del r. And gravity force acting in z direction on cylindrical cell is equal to 2 pi r del r L dot rho g. So I am applying cell balance. So z momentum in at surface at r minus z momentum out from the surface at r plus del r plus z momentum in from the surface at z equals to 0 minus z momentum out from the surface at z equals to L plus force acting due to gravity on cylindrical cell equals to 0. Now I am dividing the sum of equation by 2 pi r del r L and solving this equation become, which is written below. Now I am taking the limit del r tends to 0 and substituting the value of phi zz in the equation. So here vz is not varying with z direction, so this term get cancelled and equation become d r phi r z upon r dr plus p at z equals to 0 minus p at z equals to L plus rho gl upon L equals to 0, which can be written as minus 1 upon r d r phi r z upon dr plus p at z equals to 0 minus rho g0 minus p z equals to L minus rho gl by L equals to 0. Now I am defining the combined pressure term. Capital P equals to P pressure at Z equals to 0 minus rho g 0, and capital P at L, which is equal to pressure at Z equals to L minus rho g L. So this equation become d r phi r z upon dr equals to capital P naught minus capital P L dot r by L. Now I am substituting the value of phi r z in this equation. So our equation become d of r dvz by dr upon dr equals to minus capital P naught minus PL dot r upon mu L. And integrating this equation, we will get the velocity profile, which is equal to minus capital P naught minus PL dot r square upon 4 mu L plus C1 L r plus C2. C1 and C2 are integration coefficients which can be obtained by applying no-slip boundary conditions, like at r equals to kappa r vz0 and r equals to r vz0. So applying these boundary equations, we get two equations. Solving these two equations, we get the value of C1 and C2, and put this value of C1 and C2 in equation 1, we get the velocity profiles, which is equal to Vz equal to P naught minus PL r square upon 4 mu L into 1 minus r by r square plus 1 minus k square ln 1 by k ln r by r. So up now to obtain momentum flux profile, I am substituting the value of Vz in equation to z equals to minus mu dvz by dr, and after solving I am getting here the momentum flux profile.